Hi friends, Sharon the Flam with the Toothbrush Yoga series. So we're still talking about the vagus nerve and how toning it will keep the sympathetic nervous system, which is your need to fight or flight and ramp up your activation, can be toned and calmed by the vagus nerve. And we're going to talk about posture shifts for that to happen. And sometimes just tilting the head can have a nice effect. Rubbing the neck can have a nice effect. And effects that you can have on others or yourself is postural shifts, such as bowing, or maybe kneeling, coming down to some little person or furry animal's place. Just changing the atmosphere of being from threatening to non-threatening. Just the way you use your posture. Whether you are attempting to be threatening or safe. Something to think about. And these are ways you can calm your vagus nerve and others. So be aware today of your posturing and have a beautiful, amazing day. Namaste.